Hello, welcome to Stuffed, and today we're trying out the McDonald's Festive Pie with custard and mincemeat. Run the titles. So I was just finishing a gig and I thought to myself, I haven't done a video for today. That's today, tomorrow, today. So it dawned on me that I still had to get some sort of tea. I'm starving. I'm always starving. So I thought I'll get a McDonald's takeout. And then it dawned on me again that a friend of mine had said,
have you tried the McDonald's Festive Pie?
What's this? And I thought, well, no, I haven't. I haven't tried it. What a great time to try it. So I thought I would order one of these and also make a little video. So let's take a look. It always reminds me of Alan Partridge when he's in the garage and he's getting confronted by someone. He's got a hot pie. He said, I'm going to take a bite. It's either going to go your way or mine. It's basically filled with hot lava. It does say on here, caution hot. So we've got to be a little bit careful. Limited time only. Festive pie, custard and mincemeat. So it's not like a mince pie. Mince pie usually just has mincemeat in, doesn't it? This is custard and mincemeat. On the back it says, oh blimey, I need my glasses. A fried rectangular short crust pastry pie with a custard and mincemeat filling served hot. I am very excited. Should we give it a go? Should we give it a go? Let's open it up. Let's take a look. Short crust pastry. Oh, I just know. It smells amazing. It smells amazing already. Check that out. So it's custard and mince. Oh, I'm so excited. It's going to have a proper crunch to it as well, you can tell. It's quite crispy. I love that. I love that crisp. Here we go. Oh, all over me. Straight away, you can see the custard in there. Can't see the mince. Where's the mince meat? Hang on. Oh, there it is. There it is. You see that? Oh, it tastes like proper mince pie as well. That is so nice. I'm not just saying that. Some people don't like mince pies. Can't stand them. It's a filling. They just don't like them. I personally really do. Very crispy. It's got the mince on the one side and it's got the custard on the other. McDonald's, you've done nothing wrong with this. It's a shame it is just a festive pie and you can only bring this out at Christmas. Is this the only time? I've got it stuck in my teeth and everything. Anyway, it's a real shame because it is a really good one, the festive pie. I'm glad my friend said I should try it and couldn't believe that I hadn't tried it. Now I have. I've probably got pastry. I've got pastry all over me. I need one of these after every gig I do. I had to get some food, so this was the perfect option and a perfect opportunity to try this out. Maybe you've tried one, maybe you haven't. Let me know in the comments below if you had tried one. Do you know what? It's a great pie. It's not too hot. It's not over hot. Maybe that's because I had it delivered. If I'd got it from the shop, maybe it would have been a little bit hotter. The mince itself, the mince meat. People go, oh, mince meat. It's not mince meat. It's festive mince meat. You know, like the sort you get in a pie like this. It just tastes tangy, fruity. It just tastes like a mince pie. And this coating's nice and crispy. And it's a little bit sweet as well. Obviously, there's some sort of sugar on top of that. If you want to check more out, go to their website, mcdonaldsmenu.info. mcdonaldsmenu.info. It does say limited time only, so if you want to get hold of one, get one now. Get one in the festive season. Hey, listen, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss one of these videos, do you? Hit the subscribe, hit the like. Share it with your friends. It's the only way we're going to get this channel up and out there is by you beauties sharing it. And who's not going to be interested in me eating festive pies? Do you know what I mean? Out of 10, I would say I'm going to give that, as far as a festive pie goes and what you expect, I'm going to give that an 8 out of 10. Why are you only giving it an 8 and not a 10 out of 10, Tony? Why? Well, maybe it could have been a little bit hotter, because it does say caution hot, and it's not as hot as I expected it to be. But like I said, that might have been down to the delivery. Really nice. I'm dropping pastry all over my office. Thank you, McDonald's. You've done nothing wrong. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and I'm back here every Wednesday and every Sunday with a food or with a drink to review and to try. Any ideas you have, let me know. Somebody watches this channel, Lisa. Hang on, what she put? She's put, do you like Friends? Sure, the sitcom. Not having friends in general. Think you should do a Joey trial and eat Rachel's trifle. So I had a look, and Rachel's trifle actually had meat in the middle. Steak. I don't think. I like trifle, so I might well try this on the channel. I don't know whether I'm going to put a steak in my trifle. We'll leave that for Joey and Rachel on Friends, but it's a nice idea, Lisa. So anyone else has another idea, let me know. You never know, I might well do it and give you a call out on this channel. Anyway, until the next time, which will be here on Wednesday, I'm off. And remember, get stuffed. I'm going to carry on eating this. Oh, beautiful. That is lovely.